The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 23, Entrustment. The Buddha again said to Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdasana, O son of a virtuous family, I entrust you with the Buddha Dharma and all the Bodhisattvas and great Shravakas as well as the Dharma for highest complete enlightenment. I will also entrust you with the seven-jeweled world, all the jeweled trees, jeweled platforms, and the devas who are my servants in the great manifold cosmos. After my parinirvana, I will also entrust you with all my relics. You should distribute them far and wide and pay them homage. You should also erect a great many thousands of stupas. Having addressed Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdashana in this way, the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri entered parinirvana in the last watch of that night. Thereupon, having seen the Buddha's parinirvana, Bodhisattva Sarvapashamdasana was grieved and saddened, and longed and yearned for the Buddha. Having prepared a pyre with sandalwood from the inner sea-coast of Mount Sumeru, he cremated the Buddha's homage, body in homage. After the fire had gone out, he collected all the relics. He had 84,000 jeweled urns made, and erected 84,000 stupas as high as 3 worlds. They were adorned with poles from which hung all kinds of banners and canopies, and various kinds of jeweled bells. Then Bodhisattva Sarvapasamdasana thought this: although I have paid tribute in this way, I am not yet satisfied. I will now further pay homage to the relics. Then he spoke to all the great assemblies of bodhisattvas, great Shravakas, Devas, Nagas, and Yakshas, saying, You should pay full attention. I will now pay homage to the relics of the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri. Having said these words, he made an offering before the 84,000 stupas by burning his arms adorned with hundreds of merits for 72,000 years. He thus made innumerable Shravakas and immeasurable, incalculable people set forth toward highest complete enlightenment. All of them were made to dwell in the samadhi called Sarvarupa Samdasana. At that time, all the bodhisattvas, devas, humans, and asuras saw that his arms were missing and became grieved and distressed. They said, This bodhisattva, Sarvapasamdasana, is our teacher. He has led and inspired us. He has now burned his arms, and his body is deformed. Then Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdasana made a vow and said to the great assembly,